The National Population Commission (NPC) says post-enumeration survey, being an integral part of the census process, is a globally acceptable means of ascertaining the quality of census results. The training of the ad hoc staff in Imeko-Afon, therefore, is to equip the trainees with necessary information on how to redress possible errors which occurred while carrying out field data collection and processing procedures to gather the best results before presenting it to the public.
The pick samples of the years that were used during the census, and then you go there and recount. When you finish the recounting, you now compare the two data, the data of the pest and that of the census. When you do that, you are able to determine the errors that may have happened, and then you determine their extent.
15 out of the 384 enumeration areas cutting across 5 localities have been selected as samples for the survey, including Idiayin, Owode, Muriwi, Iwoye, Ketu, Yobo, Pakpansa, and Imeko, with 29 enumerators to conduct the survey under 5 trainers.
The training is worth it because at least now that we're already getting orientated, we'll be able to know what to do when we get to the field.
By the time we carry out every our survey, they'll be able to know that NPC has improved tremendously.
So we are still testing coverage error and content error, so that all that errors will be eliminated by the time we are doing actual census.
This post-enumeration survey is a self-evaluation tool of the Commission to measure the accuracy of the just concluded trial census and be able to look through both content and coverage errors observed in the exercise for improved general census in 2023. In Imeko, Tokpe Alabi, NTA News.